Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to stop videos and GIFs from playing automatically on X, formerly known as Twitter, with the latest update on PC. If those looping clips keep distracting you or slowing down your feed, this quick guide will help you take back control of your scrolling experience. Let's get right into it. First, open the X app on your PC. Once it loads, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main menu. From there, click on More. This will open a drop-down list of extra options that aren't visible on the main page. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where most of your account controls and display preferences are located. Once you're inside, find and click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section lets you customize how content appears and behaves while you browse X. Now, choose Accessibility. It might take a moment to locate, but it's usually right at the top of that section. Inside Accessibility, you'll see an option labeled Autoplay. This is the setting that controls whether videos and GIFs automatically start playing as you scroll through your timeline. Click on Autoplay, and 3 different options should appear. The first allows media to play automatically on all connections, the second restricts autoplay to Wi-Fi only, and the last one completely turns it off. To disable autoplay, choose Never. Once you select that, X will immediately save your preference, no need to press an extra button. That's it. You've successfully turned off autoplay videos and GIFs on the X app for PC. From now on, nothing will start moving unless you decide to click play yourself. It's a small change, but it can make browsing smoother, use less data, and help you focus on posts that actually matter to you. If you found this helpful, take a second to share it with someone who could use the same tip. Thanks for watching.